Good evening, I'm Kanak Sublakshmi. On behalf of my team, I'm going to explain our IBM project, that is Industry Specific Intelligent Fire Management System. The category is Internet of Things. First, we see what is fire management system. Designing, managing, planning, and coordinating suitable fire safety measure is the main goal of a fire management system. This lowers the danger of fire and ensures the safety of building inhabitants. A full fire management system guarantees adhesion to the law and the safety of people's life and property. There are lot of safety guidelines regarding fire management. Here I mentioned some. Those are: first, install smoke alarms in your place to get alert in case of fire. Second, stay on top of your electrical wiring system for resolving the problem and to be safe evacuation. Third, learn to use a fire extinguisher. Fourth, have a workplace fire safety checklist. Checklist like clear escape routes, trained fire marshal, evacuation plan, smoking zone. Coming to existing method, the lack of dependable, effective, cost effective, modern processing of feature rich fire management system in many buildings, as well as the fact that it lacks an automatic alarm system for administrator and authorities, make the situation less than ideal. The sprinkler system cannot even be activated since they are utilizing outdated fire safety technologies and none of them effectively interact with one another to prevent false alarms. Applications are also being used to monitor the entire system. Next, we see proposed system, the system we implemented in our project. In our project, we used a gas sensor, flame sensor, and a temperature sensor are all part of the smart fire management system to monitor environmental changes. The sprinklers will be turned on automatically if any flame is found. The model includes a MQ2 gas sensor for detecting methane and propane gases, an IR flame sensor module for detecting flames, and an LM35 temperature sensor for measuring the surroundings. The exhaust fan are turned on in accordance with the temperature data or if any gases are present. The IBM Watson IoT platform records these readings continuously and stores them in Cloud and DB. Through the Nexmo SMS API, the police and fire station will be informed if any variation take place. We have integrated a project with IoT. So what is IoT? IoT, the network of physical objects that are embedded with sensor, software and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. These devices range from ordinary household objects to sophisticated industrial tools with more than 7 billion connected IoT devices today. Experts are expecting this number to grow to 10 billion by 2020 and 22 billion by 2025. Now we see the solution for fire management system. Here is our solution architecture. In this we have used Oakview simulator. Oakview is an online electronic simulator. The main unique feature of Oakview simulator is Wi-Fi simulation, advanced debugging with GDB and SD card simulation. Next we have used Watson. IBM Watson IoT platform is a managed cloud hosted service designed to make it simple to derive value from IoT devices. We have connected Node-RED with Watson. Node-RED is a programming tool for connecting hardware, APIs, and web service in novel and intriguing way. It offers a browser-based editor that makes it simple to connect flows utilizing the variety of nodes in the palette that can be deployed to its runtime with a single click. Cloudend. Cloudend it is generally offered as a cloud-based service. And Cloudend is a piece of software made by IBM. Cloudend is connected to Node-RED. Next, we have used Nexmo SMS API for sending SMS. Nexmo SMS API allows you to send and receive the text message to users and through the globe simple RESTful APIs. Authorities like police station and fire extinguisher will get the alert SMS through Nexmo SMS API. Now, my team member Manigandan will explain our solution via simulation.
Hello everyone, myself Manigandan. I'm going to present the industrial specific intelligent fire management system working model. In our project, let's move on to the project code. This is our project code, and thus we have written on the Workview simulator. This simulator is an online electronic simulator. Thus we can use it to simulate Arduino, ESP32, and many other popular boards. And in our project, we have used it as ESP32 board because this board will interconnect with the internet for web application. Thus, this is our project code, and in our project code is divided into three parts. And first part is collecting the sensor details from the sensors, and we have randomly generated using the random function. And second part is these sensor details are converted into the JSON format for the IBM Watson. And third part we have included is we have interconnected the Wi-Fi connection code to transfer the data to the IBM Watson. We can run this code whether the output is coming or not. The message is published, OK is displayed. Now we can check the IBM Watson node. The status is showing is connected. But we can see the recent events. The data are transferred to the IBM Watson. Now we can see this. Let's go on to the boards. We have created the sensor details in the chart form. Now it's showing. Then we have interconnected the IBM Watson with the Node-RED. Node-RED is nothing but is a programming tool for writing the hardware devices, and we can interconnect it by using the API service and online service. In our Node-RED flow, we have created an IBM Watson output node, and it was interconnected with the API key. In this node, it will display the JSON format details. Here it is showing, and these are all the sensor details separated from the JSON format for displaying the sensor values in the Node-RED dashboard. We can see the output of this Node-RED dashboard. Here we can see the sensor readings, and now we can see the device status and alert messages information also. We have created two output buttons in the name of exhaust fan off and sprinkler off. These buttons can be controlled by the user in the case of incident is over or not, and by pressing this button by the sprinkler off or exit fan off, this by pressing this button the response will go on to the IBM Watson. Here it is showing that sprinkler is off. And let's move on to the Node-RED flow. Here I have created the Nexmo SMS node. This will display the alert messages to the user. It was interconnected using the API key, and at last we have interconnected these sensor details into the web application using the WebSocket concept. Here in this node, I have written the front-end language code using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. This is the output of this page using the WebSocket concept. At last, we have added the Cloudant node for collecting the sensor details into the database. We have stored these sensor details in the name of DB. This was the result of this database. All the sensor details are stored in this database. That's all about our project. Thank you.